I'm going to be melting some wax today. I've had this in my cupboard for over 6 months now, so I think it's time I get it cleaned up. So what I'll be doing is I'll be putting it into a pot that I've put some water in, and I'm going to bring it up to a boil. I'll let it boil for about 2 to 5 minutes, and then I'm going to turn the stove off and just let it cool down, probably overnight. You can also put your wax pieces into a cheesecloth or a little cheesecloth bag like I have here. Now, I do sometimes do it that way, but today I'm just going to do it straight into the pot. These are quite hard to clean later, but they still work really well. So as you can see, the wax is boiling now. So I've turned the stove down. You don't want it at a rapid boil, as this will burn the wax. Your wax, instead of coming out lovely yellow, it's going to come out brown. I did buy a piece off somebody, and my husband picked it up, and I was very disappointed. I said, well, he's burnt it. But anyway, so I'm just going to give this about another minute or two, and then I'm going to be turning it off. So this is the block I was talking about that I did buy off somebody, and that's what I mean by brown. So it was obviously boiled far too long. Now what you're after is this lovely yellow colour, and in the background there, I don't know what they call that, virgin wax. I'm really not sure, but that's lovely and white. And that will you use for lip balm, if you're going to make your own lip balm, so it's really good. So I've just turned off the heat, and it's still just simmering. Now all the debris will settle to the bottom, and the wax will come to the top, so we won't be able to see that until tomorrow morning. This has cooled down really fast, so I thought I would strain it now and not leave it overnight. So I've got my little cheesecloth bag there with another bucket, so I'm just going to pick this up and pour it in. So I've poured it into the bucket, and I've got my cheesecloth bag just sitting on a rack, so I'm just letting the rest of the liquid drip through. Now these cheesecloth bags, I find the holes are a little bit large, so if you can get a smaller weave on it, it would be much better. So I'm ready to take out my disc of wax, and as you can see, there's still a lot of gunk, debris. I can wash some of this off, but I'm going to break it up now and repeat the process at least 2 more times. But that's going to be lovely once it's all cleaned up. So yesterday I put some water in a pot and put the disc of wax back in the pot to melt down. There had been still quite a bit of debris on the back. So this is the next morning, and I'm excited to have a look how it turned out. That's lovely on the top. Now on the back, there's just a real little bit. Now that's just going to wash off. So I can just wash that off under the tap, and I'm really happy with that. And everything's just left in the bottom. So now that's a beautiful piece of wax, and what I'm going to be doing is making some candles with this in the next day or so. Okay, so thanks for watching.